Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, the Unsigned on Wall Street, here from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, greatest financial institution in the world. Let's go. The ceiling, the floor, quarter for 250,000 at 3 ace. Take them, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. If you want to learn to trade futures, you're in the right place. David Green, the Unsigned on Wall Street, Scotty, Kevin, Ken, the team, we're here for you. Look at this day. This day is not a good day. Down 700 points on the Dow Jones Industrial Average Thursday, February 12th, 2026 at 403. We are closing at the lows. When you close at the lows, you must watch out for tomorrow gapping down and having some kind of capitulation. Whether that's a buying opportunity tomorrow or not, I'm not here to predict that. But right now we've got 1.6 billion on the tape, 2.5 to 1. Down volume versus up. We haven't seen that for a while. That shows broad-based selling. The VIX up almost 15 to 20%. That is fear in the marketplace. So you got FANG down, gold down, Brent down. You got everything down, literally. Transport's down, VIX up. Volume is spectacular, but that means that with the SPY down 110 handles, this is what you call a broad-based sell-off. So where's this all coming from? I think it's coming from some impatience and fear coming in about AI. And look, you know what? Look, we talk to Dan Ives all the time. Dan Ives is a firm believer if nothing fundamental has changed in the story, if it's a matter of impatience by investors about the trajectory of the AI trade and the data centers and all that stuff, well, look, maybe it's not going to be on point. The whole AI thing was caught off guard. We did not know it was going to happen that fast, right? So that doesn't mean it's not going to happen. The demand is there. We're going to create the supply, right? The monopolization of the whole industry by the big guys is nothing more than actually a good thing in a way, but it's also making so much opportunity for the guys in the secondary and the tertiary derivative trade. So I think everybody needs to rest calm on this. Just because feelings are not facts. Just because people are anxious and impatient about the timeline on this thing does not mean it's not going to happen. And you know that these companies are not going to fast track it. They've got to do it at the pace it's going to happen. And everything is happening at an incredible pace. But people have gotten used to AI being that best of breed, the best of performance, the super, highly aggressive. Just out of the gate every day going in that direction. That's what stocks do. And they come to a point where they can't catch up. They can't catch up with the expectations, not a demand, not a supply. They can't catch up with the expectations, and when that happens, you're going to get impatience, you're going to get sell-off, you're going to get pullbacks, you're going to get solid consolidations. One day does not make a market. We're still trading at 49.5 on the Dow, so we did break 50,000. We haven't done that since we broke above 50,000. So everyone, and then we never got to that S&P 7,000. So rest calm. I'm the Unsigned on Wall Street Global Trading.